talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 nagising ako. Eh, walang alarm, walang anything. Tumayo talaga ako.
Pangit!
Oh, ba't ganyan ang tingin mo? Lalaban ka? Huwag mo akong pilitin, Clara.
Eddie, wow!
Bottom.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.